I am here today with all of the winners of the HH Talent Show, and I would like all of the winners, because they are all winners today.
Winners.
Here they are.
Lead guitarist Neil Batasia.
No, I'm not a winner.
What are your thoughts and feelings now after the show is over? Anybody in particular want to go first?
I think we should get Tommy over.
Suck my cock. Alright, anybody want to go first?
I don't know how to speak words. I can't.
Go.
That a little too tough.
Get that. Yeah.
I fucked up the words.
Oh.
Brian, you'll
Talk to him. He won. What are you gonna do with your winnings, Tony?
I don't know. Does Amazon, do they sell cocaine?
I don't know. I think they'd be illegal.
I think I know a guy. I might know a guy.
But does he trade for Amazon gift cards is the question.
That I do not know.
I'll tell you, Brian.
Convert to cash. There's like there are websites where you can sell gift
You
cards.
can sell gift cards.
But not as much cash as the number of dollars.
Wait, you won't be able to use it the Amazon.
Anyway, I feel like the opposite of a plastic bag right now.
Which is
A tuna fish. Trying to eat plankton. Or that had just eaten. It's filled with plankton even.
I thought you said you were hungry.
I am hungry.
He's hungry for plankton. He wants more plankton. He's had his taste of plankton, and now he wants more.
What if plankton wants?
You know, the last time I played guitar on camera, I was wearing the same thing.
Yes, you were. That's so weird.
So your end of the year video is just gonna be like
Yeah.
every third shot is me wearing this. I don't even like this thing.
Well, I mean, you never really do laundry, so you basically are wearing the same clothes.
Today.
Today, oh yeah, today he finds laundry.
Yay!
Go, Tony, go.
Today was laundry day.
Yes.
I think he feels like a plastic bag right now.
Oh, he probably does.
Today was laundry day for Tony. It comes once every That's usually as tall as a person.
People turn into werewolves.
Please see picture of Tony in laundry basket. This will be just somewhere in the slideshow. Right, yeah, just insert it right here.
Ready?
All right. Did you like that picture? That picture was fantastic, wasn't it? I bet you loved
We
it.
have so much fun editing.
Please edit out, Jax. I have a boner right now.
Jack, do you have a boner?
What's up?
Show me your boner!
What? Ah!
Show it to me. You said you had
right
one. Oh.
It's right there. It's this.
Okay,
This
I see
is
it.
my boner.
All right, it's on camera
That's the-
for everyone to see. No, God.
Ah, man down! Cameraman down!
I'm okay. I'm okay.
You should have done the thing where you fall and it's like.
And I was like, oh.
Yeah, like Blair Witch almost.
I don't even know if this sees me. That's okay though. I think I'm about to run out of battery, so I'm going to end it here. Congratulations to everyone who was in the talent show, because everyone did a great job, and I loved it.
Awesome picture right here.